The world is changing, our population is growing, and one thing is certain, good fertile land is becoming more precious by the day. We can't just make more of it, so we have to get smarter about how we use what we have. That's where the future of farming comes in. It's about innovation. Farming isn't just about tradition anymore, it's about finding new ways to produce more food on less land. It's about working with nature, not against it, to develop sustainable systems that benefit both people and the planet. We need to think outside the box, or maybe even outside the field. Imagine a world where vegetables grow not in rows on the ground, but on towering trees. Picture a single structure producing a bounty of spinach, kale, and cabbage all at once. This isn't science fiction, it's the potential of innovative farming techniques like plant grafting, poised to reshape the future of food production. This isn't just about feeding more people, it's about feeding them better. It's about moving away from industrial agriculture and towards a system that prioritizes quality, flavor, and environmental responsibility. The future of farming is about more than just survival, it's about thriving. Farming takes on many forms, each shaped by its purpose and environment. Subsistence farming, the oldest form, focuses on feeding a family or community directly from the land. Commercial farming, on the other hand, aims to produce large quantities of crops or livestock for profit. Arable farming centers around cultivating crops on plowed land, while pastoral farming revolves around raising livestock like cattle or sheep. And then there's mixed farming, a balanced approach combining both crops and livestock. But the future of farming might look quite different from these traditional forms. Imagine vertical farms stacked high in urban centers, utilizing hydroponics, aquaponics, or aeroponics to grow food in water or air without soil. These innovative methods offer the potential for year-round production, reduced water usage, and minimal environmental impact. One of the most exciting innovations on the horizon is the concept of vegetable trees. This technique relies on plant grafting, a method where tissues from different plants are joined together and encouraged to grow as one. By grafting related species like tomatoes onto potato roots or different varieties of fruit trees onto a single trunk, we can create hybrid plants with multiple yields. Imagine a single tree producing a variety of vegetables. Picture a structure bearing spinach on its lower branches, kale in the middle, and cabbage at the top. This efficient use of space allows for greater yields in smaller areas, maximizing output while minimizing land usage. This is especially crucial as we face shrinking farmland and increasing demand for food. But the benefits of vegetable trees go beyond space saving. By carefully selecting which plants to graft together, we can create symbiotic relationships where the plants actually benefit from each other. For example, certain herbs can deter pests, protecting neighboring vegetables. This natural form of pest control reduces the need for harmful pesticides, promoting a healthier ecosystem and safer food. The success of plant grafting, particularly in creating these multi-layered vegetable trees, relies heavily on scientific understanding. It's not as simple as sticking two plants together and hoping for the best. We need to carefully consider the compatibility of different species, ensuring that they can share resources and thrive together. This is where scientific study becomes crucial. We need to understand the complex interactions between different plant species. How do their root systems interact? Do they compete for the same nutrients? Are there any allelopathic effects where one plant releases substances that inhibit the growth of another? Furthermore, flavor is paramount. We want to ensure that the individual flavors of each vegetable are preserved and ideally even enhanced by the grafting process. This requires careful analysis of the plant's chemical compositions and how they might be influenced by their neighbors. The future of farming is a fascinating blend of ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science. By embracing innovation and investing in research, we can create a food system that is not only productive and sustainable, but also delicious and nourishing.